Hi guys, so today we're going to make a Picasso self-portrait, and these self-portraits are one of my favorite things to make just because they're so wonky and wild and just really cool. So the first thing we're going to do though is we are going to kind of make like a flattened out Z shape. It's really just kind of like a squiggle that you're going to make on your paper, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the edge and you're going to come down to a point right about lined up with the point of your squiggle. Okay. Then you're going to do the same thing except you go over the top of your other squiggle and come around. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my neck, which is just two lines coming out from my head. And then I'm going to start with the eye. So on these Cubist portraits, they have some really crazy eyes. So this eye, it's like we're looking at kind of the side of the face that's away from this eye. And then we're going to draw like the white part of her eye, the colored part of her eye, the pupil, and then the highlight, right? And I'm sure you guys know by now that I feel like I tell you this every time we draw portraits, but we actually see out of the pupil or the black part of our eye. We don't see out of the colored part, which I think is so cool. Alright friends, then you're going to draw your other eye. So, remember, eyes are shaped like lemons. Eyes are shaped like lemons, right? Actually, I'm going to draw some eyelashes on mine. Okay. Oh man, I've got to plug my computer up. Just a second. So be thinking about like what details you're going to add. Are you going to add like a ponytail? Are you going to add some earrings? Are you going to add some glasses? Are you going to add a bow tie? What are you going to add? Okay. So then we're going to draw the white part of our eye, right? Then we're going to draw the colored part of our eye. Then we're going to draw the pupil part and the highlight. Okay. We're going to color in the pupil. Alright, and now for the lips. So with the lips, I like to make one side of the lip really tall and comes up and touches that little doodle part, and the other part little. Okay? And yours doesn't have to look exactly like mine. Remember, if you're just copying mine, then you're not making your art, are you? You're making my art. Right, a copy of my art. So, and then I'm going to add an eyebrow over here. Okay, now we're going to look at our hairline. So with our hairline, mine's a little wonky at the moment, but my part is over to the side, it's not in the middle, and then I have this swoosh in front of my forehead. Okay, and then this side is kind of flat. So with that, I'm going to start with my parts here, okay? I'm going to come over in front of my forehead, and then this one is kind of flat, okay? Then what you're going to do is you need to draw the top of your head, all right? So I'm going to start with my part. I'm going to come up and around, and then I'm going to come down. Now, I'm going to go ahead and draw one shoulder because I have really long hair, okay? I'm going to draw one shoulder, and then this side, I'm going to have my hair come in front of my shoulder, okay? And then I'm going to draw some lines to kind of make some texture looking hair, okay? And actually, I need to fix this because this looks like a mustache, so I'm going to think on that, okay? So then we can add other details like ears, right? And earrings, okay? You can add a necklace, you can add whatever you want to, okay? You can add glasses. The possibilities are endless, okay? So here's one that I drew earlier that's really similar, and I have it colored. Now, with Pablo Picasso, he uses all kinds of crazy colors. He was actually part of the Fauvist movement, or was like around the same time as the Fauvist movement. So they use unrealistic colors, and their Fauvism actually means wild beast. So, and it meant that their colors and their paintings and their drawings and their artworks were crazy. So that's why I kind of have some different kind of crazy colors in mine. So you all can color it however you want to. And if you need to rewind this video or pause it, because I kind of went really fast, totally go for it. Just make sure that you send me a picture or upload this to the Canvas page, and let me see what you've created. All right, friends, bye!